Girl Talk Uncovered. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, girl talk. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversations. So, let's jump right in. Girl talk is a colloquial expression that refers to a private conversation between girls or women, typically about topics they feel most comfortable discussing among themselves. These topics might include relationships, personal experiences, emotions, or even everyday concerns. Example: Sarah and Emily went to the coffee shop for some girl talk. This doesn't mean that they only talked about girly topics. It simply indicates that they had a private, possibly intimate conversation. Understanding the context is essential. Here are a few scenarios. 1. Confiding in friends. When women share secrets, concerns, or advice, they might say they're having girl talk. Example: I need some serious girl talk. Can we meet later? 2. A sense of camaraderie. It's not exclusive to discussing personal issues. Sometimes, it's just casual conversations that they prefer having among close female friends. Example: it was nice to have some girl talk at the brunch today. 3. In popular culture, sometimes, movies, TV shows, or books refer to girl talk to show scenes where female characters bond or share secrets. While the phrase, girl talk, primarily refers to conversations between females, it's not strictly limited to them. Men can, and do, have their versions of intimate, personal conversations. However, the term, girl talk, specifically highlights the kind of bonding that often happens between girls or women. It's also important to note that not all women resonate with the term, as it might sound a bit juvenile or exclusive. Always be mindful of the context and the people you're speaking with. That wraps up our exploration of girl talk. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase and its nuances. Remember, language is a reflection of culture and experiences, so it's always fascinating to learn about such colloquialisms. Keep learning and happy conversing.